Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to sort words in alphabetical order in Microsoft Excel. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Assuming we have several words here like car, bar, zebra, tank, uh, skin, dark. Okay, so what we can do, no, in this cell 1 up to A1 to 6, we just highlight, right click, wait, we should highlight, and then we have here, click this button, sort. You have two options, ascending order A to Z or Z to A. So we choose this one, the first one, sort A to Z. By clicking, it will automatically sort the words like bar, car, dark skin, tank, and zebra. That's it. That's simple on how to sort names or words in ascending order, no? In Microsoft Excel. Okay guys, so I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.